morning. This video is for my advanced nutrition and wellness class. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make veggie pizza. It is not the vegetable pizza that has a cauliflower crust. Instead, it is a very, very simple, basic vegetable pizza that starts with a tortilla shell, just a soft flour shell. It's actually one of the favorites of the students, and it's easy to put together. I've got the oven preheating at 350 degrees. You can see that I have my mise en place ready to go. I've got the vegetables that I'm going to choose to put on my veggie pizza. I have onion. I have some different colored peppers that I actually grew in my garden last year. I've got a few tomatoes, some spinach that I've cut into the chiffonade ribbons. I have Parmesan cheese because that's all that I had in the fridge at the time. A little bit of pizza sauce, and it's kind of an anything goes kind of lab. Now, if you can get to the store and you can purchase some vegetables and make your own pizza, that would be great. If not, you need to comment on the video and let me know that you at least watched it and that you could do this at home after you're able to go grocery shopping. So I've got my tortillas on a pan all ready to go. I'm just gonna put a little bit of sauce on the pan, or on the tortillas rather. My vegetables have been washed and chopped up already. You're going to see me use the same tongs for each of the vegetables, and that is because I am making it for myself. If I were working in a restaurant, I would want to have tongs for each individual ingredient because I would not want any cross-contamination happening of allergens. If someone was allergic to onion, you wouldn't want to touch the onion with your tongs and then touch the peppers. So again, I just have one set. I've already washed and sanitized my hands before I even started the video. So now I'm just going to top my tortilla shell with whatever vegetables I want. I'm gonna start with a little bit of onion, not a whole lot of onion, but a little bit of onion. I'm gonna add some pepper. If you're doing this at home, I totally expect you to use your fingers. If you're doing this in a restaurant, not so much. All right. Now this recipe that we're making is a follow-up to the vitamin and mineral PowerPoints that you have been reading and answering Schoology questions on earlier this week. I hope that you all did that assignment before you watched the video. I want you all to be remembering the importance of not only washing your hands during this time, but eating healthy, making good food choices that we always talk about in all of the classes that I teach. And you know, it's very important to be getting those vitamins and minerals. I've actually read that vitamin C is supposed to help speed the recovery of the COVID-19 virus if you would happen to get it. Of course, that is just something that I've read, but it absolutely makes sense to beef up your vitamin and mineral intake right now more than ever because of not just COVID, but any other flu viruses that are out there right now. We just always want to do our best to stay healthy. So I'm going to top this with some Parmesan cheese. And put them in the oven at 350 just until the cheese is melted, and when I pull them out, they're going to be a delicious, crispy lunch for me today. Now I'm saying lunch, but these are a wonderful snack because they're so inexpensive to make and because they can be made so quickly and because they are pure nutrition here. Okay, so I'm going to put them in the oven and I'll let you know what the finished product looks like. Okay, I'm back. My veggie pizza smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It only took 5 minutes in my oven, but don't forget, I have a convection oven, which means it has a fan in the back of the oven that blows the heat around. So mine only took 5 minutes. They got done super quick. Yours will probably take a little bit longer. You're just waiting for that cheese to get brown on the top. You're ready to cut them up and eat them and boost that immune system of yours so that we can all be healthy and get back here together at KV High School. So you guys have a great day. I'm gonna eat my lunch and I hope that you get to try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out. Bye-bye.